We really appreciate your efforts. Friends, the second topic today is effective consultation with your doctor. And this is being presented by Mrs. Anju Chandiramani, who is in charge of this library and helps Dr. Malpani in running this center. This presentation is a short sample of what we plan to convert into a half-day workshop for doctors and patients. They will start with a role play which is being enacted by the college students Riya Gandhi, Yesha Modi, Harsh Jain, and after which they will collect the chits given to you and read out your suggestions. So please keep your chits ready. This will be followed by a PPT presentation, PowerPoint presentation by Anju to bring out the essential points required for patients to help themselves to get better medical care. I welcome Ms. Anju to start her role play. Thank you.
Hello. Thanks, Manoj. The role play actually will begin after a couple of slides. What I am doing now is not a role play, just talking to you. And welcome everybody. I'm very proud to be presenting the first talk on behalf of Patient Safety Alliance and Health Education Library for People. Welcome to all of you taking out the time to come in the morning on a Sunday morning. The fact that we selected this topic is it's very essential that all of us take the responsibility for getting better medical care for ourselves as patients. How many of us raised our hands when we said, oh, we blame, there are so many blunders going on nowadays. Indirectly, we are blaming the doctors and the healthcare team. How much have we done as a patient? What are our responsibilities to ensure that we have got better medical care for ourselves? It's very easy to blame other people. So this presentation will take you through very quickly the few of the points that you need to remember to be a responsible patient. And let's go through it first. Doctor and patient relationship is a very unique relationship in which we are confiding in the doctor. We're trusting the doctor with everything, with all the information that we have, and we need to partner with the doctor to get better medical care for ourselves. That is the best way to get through to getting the best out of the doctor. Today's discussion will be based on Dr. Malpani's book, How to Get the Best Medical Care. A lot of solutions have been given in this book. We have it at the library. You can refer to it, and it's also available online. We have a sticker in the library. It's not just a sticker. It describes what preparation you need to do before you go to visit the doctor. So it's like a guide which we have also enclosed in your toolkits. You can go through it later. So today will be a journey from being an irresponsible patient to being an informed patient. We'll all have a halo around us when we walk out of this room. So to begin with, we'll have a small role play. We have a couple of very enthusiastic college students, Priya, Jainal, Yasha and Harsh. They will explain to us they will try to put it in the form of a skit, what a passive patient does at the clinic, what does an aggressive patient does, and what an assertive and an informed patient, how he manages to get the best medical care for himself, and how he works with the doctor to ensure that he gets the best out of the consultation. So we should welcome the four of them. Jainal. The characters will be a very caring doctor. The patient will have different roles to play, a passive patient, an aggressive patient, and an assertive patient, and in different scenarios. We have a receptionist, a very helpful receptionist at the clinic, and we also have a relative going along with Harsh to help him in his consultation with the doctor.